I am so loving the Ipsy Glam Bag for the base subscription for March. Look how cute that is. It says Power Moves, already gotta love it. And of course it has the Ipsy logo right here on the zipper pull. Very spring-like in a way. It reminds me of Easter colors. But that's the theme for March 2022. And we come with a little card. Ooh, and this actually has a description of what's within. Oh, Ooh, and this is from Violet Voss. You see that? Nice. It's so cute, the black and pink. Very nice packaging. Almost don't even want to open it. It's so cute. But we're gonna tear it open anyway, because you know that's how I roll. And this is supposed to be a blush. What? Okay. It says make me blush. All right, that sounds like a challenge. And there's the front of the packaging, and this says Violet Voss Radiant Blush and Make Me Blush. And what is the price for this lovely little blush here? The retail price for this is $20 US. This is pretty. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it. Feels nice and smooth, but it's not like overly, ooh, gorge. Oh, it goes on very, almost like silk, like, that is so pretty. Look at that. Beautiful color payoff. Oh, let me see. And it doesn't have a scent. It just came. This is interesting. What is this? This is Sand and Sky Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. Ooh, defeat the dull and bring back the bounce with this antioxidant rich mask. Emu, apple, and Australian glow berries brighten, protect, and plump, while Kakadu plum, the world's richest source of vitamin C, lights your skin up for a megawatt glow. Huh. Emo. I thought emo was an animal, but maybe just a fancy name for this. So this is to apply to clean skin, avoiding eye area. Leave on for 10 minutes before rinsing off with water. The retail price for 100 G is grams. I'm saying is, wait a minute, is that 62? It's $62. Wow, they make this sound really exotic. And you have to see that the packaging, it kind of feels almost like a toothpaste container. Yeah. So this has probably about 2, maybe 3 you can squeeze out of some sort of a super bounce mask. And this is from China B. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. I've seen her products in here before. China B Miami. This is the Pressed Pigment Duo, Vino and Bay Harbor. It says not tested on animals. Okay, so this is their Pressed Pigment Duo. Okay. I'm assuming this is definitely an eyeshadow. If I can open it. Can I open it? Am I opening it the right way? I never could tell. Here we go. Oh, you see the logo. It's 2 flamingos side by side embossed. Very soft. Ooh, very soft. Okay, let's see how this goes. 1, 2. Can you see that? One's kind of glowy and the other one is, it looks similar. No, it doesn't. They're 2 different colors. Vino, definitely a vino. Again, no scent, so that's great. I can't wait to try this to make a look. I guess that's the point. So far, I'm really loving what I'm seeing in this. Is it? Oh no, it is. Winky Lux Peeper Perfect Under Eye Concealer in Fair. Okay, so I have it in 2. Oh. Because I had gotten this in the Plus, and now I also got it in this. So I think I picked it in 1, and I got it as a automatic selection for the base bag. So loving it. So tiny, so cute. So what is this? The perfect under eye concealer in Fair. It says to take a small amount and warm it between your fingertips and then gently tap it around the eyes. The retail price for the 10 ml size is $16. All right, so the next thing I see in here, which is last but not least, but look at that color. Oh, and this brand is called Element Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick in Moscow. I guess Moscow red. The retail price for 5.5 ml is $18. Pro quality, ultra wearable, highly pigmented, and easy to blend. There's so much to love about this liquid lipstick. It's infused with vitamin E to help keep your lips feeling soft and moisturized for hours. That means no flakes or cracks, and has a yummy peaches and cream scent too. So it's good that they say that. So for those who have an aversion to scent or any kind of fragrance, this may not be for you, this lovely shade of red, but it's gorgeous. But it's good to know that they put that in there. And there you have it. That is my bag. And I think I got a couple of add-ons. Let me see what I got in here. I thought, yes, I did. I got another Tatcha, the Dewy Mist Spray. Yep, love it. I love that I'm able to get it again. So again, it's all skincare, gotta love it. What do I think overall with this base subscription for Ipsy? Love, love, love. I love the lipstick. That's so my color because I love deep, beautiful reds. I also like the fact that there is an eyeshadow as well as a blush. Loving that. It's giving me a lovely, and then the skincare option, I'm intrigued. I am very happy with what I got in my base bag. Are you an Ipster? Did you get the base bag for March? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest bagging with Ipsy, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.